Hey guys, in today's video we are going to do this simple logo animation. It's quite simple and you will learn it very quickly. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. So here we are in After Effects. We bring our file and create the composition of it. Double click, select the layers and create a shape layer from it. You can delete the AI file of it, and let's create a background so that we can see the logo clearly. It's perfect. We will create the copy of this name in After Effects, the editable text, so that we can animate it. So let's create the name. Alright, now we'll match the size exactly and the position the same as we have for the logo. So here we have it. Now we can just move forward. For now, let's hide the text because we don't really need it. First we will edit our logo mark. For that, let's just open the scale keyframe and position, active both of them. From there we will bring our logo mark into the center right there, and now we will increase the size of it. Let's move forward the scale keyframe. I guess this will be good. Yes, from there it will reduce the size. We make sure we have another position. Let's bring the position forward for now. Alright, so as you can see, there is no animation actually. Like, I want to create a bounce so it will look more natural, right? For that, what we'll do, let's first bring it forward. The original size of it's 100, so let's make it 80, and after like 4 frames, we can just keep it the original size. So what we'll do, it will create a bounce like that, right? So it's looking more natural and better. After that, we'll change the position keyframe. From there it will go forward on the right side. Let's add this. I guess this will be good. From there it will come back. Just give me, yeah, I guess this will be good. For now, let's ease them by F9, and we can edit in graph editor. Squeeze them from both sides. Here, right. So I guess this is good. Maybe we can just bring it closer to the start. Yeah, I guess for now it's looking good. Maybe if we want to change it, we can change it later. And now what we'll do, we will edit our text. Let's animate it. For that, click on this animate button. From there, add position, opacity, and the third thing will be tracking. Let's just turn off the logo mark because we really need it. Let's add the position plus the value. We bring it down a little bit. After that, we'll change the amount of tracking. We'll reduce it and shrink it to 1 point, and then we can just change the opacity. After that, click on this range selector option. From there, active start keyframe and bring a little bit forward. and this change it to 100, and then select it and change it to easy ease, and you can just set it in graph editor. Squeeze it from the both sides so that it can look much better. Let's have a look. Yes, this is looking good. We can just increase the spacing if we really think it's much like to make it a little smoother. Yeah, that's looking good. After that, we will make our logo mark will be parent of our text layer, so it will follow it. So what we have to do now, we have to make sure the starting point of will be around there for our text there. After that, it will start showing up. Yeah, something like that. We can make it a little late, so I guess a little more. Yeah, this will work. So that's up for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also visit my Instagram and follow me there also, because I share a lot of things over there, my work, my process, everything. So please make sure you follow that as well. For now, bye bye.